Good day. Today we have Math 001. In chapter 1, we'll study the theory of quadratics. If you want to get a detailed course outline, go to our website mafisedu.com. We'll start by defining quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are equations of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Derivation of the quadratic formula. Given ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we divide the left hand side and right hand side of the equation by a, and we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Now we take the we take the constant term to the right hand side of the equation. This will give us x squared plus b over a x equals minus c over a. Transforming the left hand side into a perfect square and deducting b over 2a all squared will result in x plus b over 2a all squared minus the square of b over 2a equals minus c over a. Now we transpose the constant term to the right hand side of the resulting equation. We have x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared, which implies x plus b over 2a all squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. If we take the square root of both sides of the equation, we have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And the resulting equation will be x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and the proof is complete. Take note of these equations. This is what you need to know, this equation. Keep it in your head. Please, you are advised to come with notebooks so you can copy notes. So you can have the chance to copy your notes right now. Next, we'll do some examples. Example 1.1. Find the roots I'm sorry, the characters are not coming out clearly. Find the roots find the roots of the following quadratic equations. A x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. B 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 equals 0. C x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals 0. Solutions. Solutions. For equation A, given x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. This implies A equals 1, B equals minus 1, and C equals 6, minus 6, sorry. And C equals minus 6. Recall the formula. X equals minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC over 2A. If we just slot in the respective figures inside this formula, we'll get the roots of this equation. Substituting for A, B, and C in the formula, substituting for A, B, and C. In the formula, we have x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 6 all over 2 into 1. This gives us x is equal to 1 plus or minus the root of 25 all over 2. Which implies x1 is equal to 1 plus 5 over 2, which is equal to 3. And x2 is equal to 1 minus 5 over 2, which is equal to minus 2. And that's the solution of the first equation. Those are the roots of the first equation. So, if we take it all over again, this is the question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations. X squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. B, 6x squared plus 17x plus 5 equals 0. And C, x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals 0. Now, solutions. That's for equation A. Given x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0. We know from this equation that A equals 1, B equals minus 1, and C equals minus 6. If we recall the quadratic formula, the roots of this equation will be given by x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Substituting for a, b, and c in the formula, we have x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4 into 1 into minus 6 all over 2 into 1, which implies x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 25 all over 2, or 1 plus or minus 5 is over 2, and x1 is equal to 1 plus 5 all over 2, which is equal to 3, and x2 is equal to 1 minus 5 all over 2, which is equal to minus 2. Now let's go to equation B. For equation B, we have given 6x squared plus 17x plus 17x plus 5 equals 0. In this case, a equals 6, b equals 17, and C equals 5. So recall this equation. Recall x equals minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And if we substitute a, b, and c in the above formula, we will have x equals minus 17 plus or minus the square root of 17 squared minus 4 into 6 times 5 all over 2 into 6. Which implies x equals minus 17 plus or minus the square root of 17 squared which is 289 minus 120 all over 12. This implies x is equal to minus 17 plus or minus the root of 169 all over 12. So wipe this part of the board and continue from here. Solution to equation B. Continuous. This implies x is equal to minus 17 plus or minus 13 over 12. x1 equals 17 plus 13 over 12, which is equal to 30 over 12, which is equal to minus 17 plus 13 over 12, sorry. Minus 17 plus 13 over 12, which is equal to minus 4 over 12. That's minus 1/3. x2 equals minus 17 minus 13 over 12, which is equal to minus 30 over 12. That gives you minus 2.5. Now, for those of you who are slow to understand, these are the roots of our equation B. Given 6x squared plus 7x Given 6x squared plus 7x plus 5. We know that A equals 6, B equals 17, and C equals 5. Recall, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Substituting for a, b, and c in the formula, we have x is equal to minus 17 plus or minus 17 squared minus 4 into 6 into 5 all over 2 into 6, which gives us minus 17 plus or minus 289 minus 120 over 12. And x is minus 17 plus or minus the square root of 169 over 12. We know that the square root of 169 is 13. So we see here that x is equal to minus 17 plus or minus 13 over 12. And which further goes down to be simplified as x1 equals minus 17 plus 13 over 12, which is equal to minus 4 over 12, which is minus 1/3. x2 is minus 17 minus 13 over 12, which is equal to minus 30 over 12, which is equal to minus 2.5 or minus 5 over 2, whichever way you want to put it. Now let's look for the roots of equation C. Let me give you some time to copy some notes. Now we're going to do equation C. Given the equation x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals 0. Clearly, a equals 1, b equals 9, c equals 14. Substituting in the quadratic equation, we have x equals, substituting in the quadratic formula, which we already recalled, we have minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 into 1 into 14 all over 2 into 1. This tells us that x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 56 all over 2. So we continue on this side of the board. Equation C continues here. So if we bring that over here or simplify further, x is equal to minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 56. Root of 25 all over 2. This implies x1 is equal to minus 9 plus or minus 5 all over 2. I mean x is equal to that, which means x1 is equal to minus 9 plus 5 over 2, which is equal to minus 4 over 2 is equal to minus 2. x2 is equal to minus 9 minus 5 all over 2, which is equal to minus 14 over 2. That gives you minus 7. So those are the roots of this equation. For those of you who are slow to understand, if we are given the equation x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals 0, clearly a equals 1, b equals 9, and c equals 14. Recall the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Substituting for a, b, and c in the formula, we have x equals minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 into 1 into 14 all over 2 into 1, which is equal to x equals minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 56 over 2. And that results in x equals minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 25 over 2. Or x equals minus 9 plus or minus 5 over 2. And the x1 is equals minus 9 plus 5 over 2 equals minus 4 over 2, which is equal to minus 2. x2 equals minus 9 minus 5 over 2, which is equals minus 14 over 2, which is equals minus 7. So that's all we have for today. Come back next time. Thank you. In the meantime, for more information, go to this website. Our website is www.mafisedu.com. Visit our website and register to take courses in the website. The website is www.mafisedu. Mafise is MAPHYSEDU.com. Mafisedu. Mafisedu.com. Please go there, register, and you could take streaming lectures there. Thanks for now.